a sticker bomb freak. So if you have a sticker, I want one. I already did my computer. I'm out of space on that. So now I need more stickers. So last week I discovered this leaky hatch still, and I removed all this crap. I had a really hell of a time getting it off. I can't get it off with anything, so I'm just gonna sand it off. I'm fed up with it and I want it gone. 6-year-olds in real life. All right, calm down. I keep vacuuming this thing empty, and now it's making me mad, so I'm gonna replace the seal. So I'm sure a heat gun would work better, but I'm pretty sure I don't have one on the boat. But it works good to just melt the plastic with the sander, and then it pretty much just peels right off to like this weird gooey shit that I have to wipe off with some goof off or something, maybe, I guess. But dust free, and I always keep track of my trash. Never let it go in the water. We're very pro clean ocean. Last night, Colton went to put gas in the generator and dropped the cap. Down. Now we're gonna warranty it. Finally got our new generator. Mucho quiet. Sounds way better. That's under load. I really can't complain. Finding a spot to anchor over here, going through the shallows. Kind of sketchy sometimes. Got his band all good for him?
Yeah.
Loaded? Oh.
It's so beautiful.
I love you.
I love you too.
There's lots of fish.
Right? Future dinner table in a mansion. You could just leave the piece of railroad in it as character.
There's a branch blocking it down here.
We already discussed this. We went over that.
Oh.
Dad, go and get.
I don't know what my nail polish has that my xylene doesn't have, but seems to be taking it off a lot better. Like every time I go to work on that hatch, it starts freaking raining on me. Busted?
Q-tips. See, this is all shitty. We should rebuild this whole thing. This is just going from here, and it's hanging out beside the outdrive. Okay. This is leaking. It's leaking from this seal right here, and then it also has a hole here that needs a plug. So we open this and pull the map off. The Westerbeek one just needs a little tweak
Westerbeek is chintzy compared to Fram. What if they sponsored you one day with your oil filters?
I don't know.
Non-sponsored, by the way.
Looks good. We'll see. Put it on there and it falls off.
Put it in the hole first, maybe.
Never had a Fram fall off.
So then if Westerbeek ever offers, be like, nah, that's okay, I'll wait for Fram. Loyalty matters!
Oh, I mean, I don't give a crap. What kind? You can definitely fuck up a lot faster with this thing. The seal is not staying in place, you know? You had it crossed, like, that one doesn't just fall out. Well, I mean,
Who knows how long it's been in there? This is the first time we've changed this. We've owned it since January, so it's not that bad.
lay our little oil finish thing. There we go. Ready? Okay. No room between the bottom and the motor, so you have to suck the oil out.
So do you want to go swim?
Safer for the environment.
Oh, yeah.
Anybody who tries to change their oil in their village.
Doesn't work out.
The only thing that bothers me about maintenance is that the boat gets super cluttered. It frustrates me. You hear me?
But
You hear Also, I will take recommendations on a good paint to use on an aluminum outdrive. None of them stay. They all come off within the first drive. It's freaking annoying.
Like an orange yellow, like a gold. That's really pretty.
I guess I could look it up.
Yeah. Okay. Put it in cool.
Very tip right there.
All right. A little bit more. Y'all make anything to eat?
Bless you! Every time he sneezes, it sounds like it's trying to like escape his soul.
Strong sneezer in that one.
Yeah. Achoo! Blow him off the boat. You feeling confident about that?
Yeah, yeah. Someone has to check. That looks like diesel. I think it is. I think this seal right here, we're gonna have to replace it.
Look over my hatch repair.
Really close.
Oh. A husband in a hatch.
Our pigeons detected. Our pigeons detected. I am
No.
so lucky just now.
Yeah, they are. They're in.
I am so lucky.
Can you sip in the egg white poop?
No. It almost went in my foot. I rubbed it. It fell onto my finger. I looked at it.
Not protected, but only if you're in a bird sanctuary area. Doves are pretty good to eat, I guess.
Ow.
Doves taste good.
Doves taste
I pinched my neck again last night. I got too comfortable like a dummy.
Yeah, and dove still eats like seed and stuff like that too, so they're not like a nasty bird. So yeah, they're really good. Yes.
What do you want?
To live.
Everything.
This from the world.
From the world.
I guess that's dry mouth. I can't even spit. Try to spit and it can't even come out. You know what you call those kind of people, baby?
I got a boo-boo, and when we came back from going to get dinner in our gas, somebody had, I don't know whether it was intentional or not, but
Unhooked our dinghy.
unhooked the dinghy, untied it, let it go, and cross-wired it. So they fried the new trolley motor and possibly the battery, but we'll have to check. People suck, man. Some people really suck.
Why you being like that?
Your little bird's telling him.
Teaching. You doing the shaking thing now?
Marley is protector of Skipper.
Oh, you have the bird coming in?
Yeah, the birds.
Yeah, he's gonna go shopping at Home Depot.
Just about every day. Marley!
Oh, you want more?
Hey. Hi. Pretty bird. Whoa. You're loud.